In this section, we're going to look at some of the core components and APIs in React Native. We'll be talking about view, text, image, button, touchables, alert, and so on. There are more components in React Native than we can cover in this section or in this course, but throughout the course, you're going to learn the ones that you will use most of the time. Now, if you're curious, you can find the complete list of these core components and APIs on React Native website. So head over to reactnative.dev, then go to API. Here on the left, you can see all the core components that we can use for building user interfaces. These components are cross-platform. So when we compile our app, they will be mapped to their native equivalent. So if we use a button here, on Android, this will look like a standard Android button, and on iOS, it will look like a standard iOS button. We can also customize the look and feel of these buttons using styles. You'll learn that in the next section. So here are all the cross-platform components. We also have a bunch of components specific to Android and iOS. And we also have a bunch of APIs. These APIs give us access to native functions. They're not UI widgets. For example, we can use keyboard to control the soft keyboard, or we can use style sheet to create a bunch of styles. Again, these APIs are cross-platform. We also have a bunch of APIs specific to Android and iOS. Again, we'll study most of the essential components and APIs, but we don't have time to look at every single component. So once you learn the foundations, you can learn the other components on your own. So next, we're going to talk about views.